This is IIT JEE 2014 advanced question. Calculus topic, differentiability. Right? Observe here, f of x is equal to mod x plus 1. G of x is x square plus 1. Two functions given. H of x is combination of fx and gx. I am going to solve this by using graph method. Observe here. First draw graph of mod x plus 1. Okay. How to draw mod x plus 1 graph? Observe. Mod x. What is basic graph of mod x? That is V-shaped curve. Okay. X-axis, Y-axis, this is origin. Mod x is V-shaped graph. V-shaped graph plot at origin. Now observe what is mod x plus 1. Mod x plus 1 graph. Right? So here this is x-axis, y-axis, origin. Right? To draw mod x plus 1, move this graph upwards along y-axis to 1 unit. That is mod x plus 1 graph moves upwards along y-axis and plot at 1. Understood? If it is mod x plus 2, right? Very good. Move this upwards along y-axis, plot at 2. If it is mod x minus 1, what is the concept? Right, very good. If it is minus 1, move downwards along y-axis and plot it minus 1. Right. That is the concept. Understood? Now, draw x square plus 1 graph. Why? Because g of x is x square plus 1. What is the basic graph of x square? Graph of x square is parabolic shape. Parabola, plot at origin 0. Right? Now x square plus 1. Right? Very same procedure. Very good. So here x square plus 1. Move the graph upwards along y-axis. Plot at 1. Right? This is what x square plus 1 graph. This is basic x square. By using this x square plus 1 graph, this is mod x plus 1 graph. Right? Mod x plus 1 and x square plus 1. Right? These two graphs. Now, what is hx? Observe. Hx is combination of fxx, maximum of fxx, minimum of fxx. That means you have to draw these two graphs in one graph. That gives h of x. Understood? So that means how to draw. These two curves intersect at some points. Right? Why? Because we have to combine these two graphs. That means there should be some intersection points, no? So we have to calculate that point. That means intersection point means what? Where these two graphs meet. Understood? So how to calculate that points means solve these two equations, mod x plus 1 and x square plus 1. Equate these two. Mod x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1. Here 1 gets cancelled. Now mod x is equal to x square. In second equation you can write it as x square plus or minus x is equal to 0. Right? So that implies this gives what? X is equal to minus 1, 0 and 1. That means at minus 1, 0 and 1, these two graphs intersect. Understood? So now very simple. Now draw h of x. What is the required concept here? To draw h of x, combine these fx and gx. Very good. Now observe here h of x graph. I am drawing h of x. Y-axis, x-axis, this is y. Okay, so this is origin, This is x dash. Now, first draw mod x plus 1 graph. This is mod x plus 1. Right? Second, x square plus 1. This is x square plus 1. Right? Now, clearly these three are intersecting points. What is this point? -1. Why? Because this is origin. So, left side of origin is negative x-axis. This area x less than 0 area. Right side of origin, that is positive x-axis. This is x greater than 0 area. So, if it is -1, this is 0 automatically. What is this point? 1 point. Already we calculated all these intersection points, -1, 0 and 1. This is the graph of h of x. Now apply conditions. What is the condition here? Where we have to take maximum. If x less than or equal to 0, you have to identify maximum. If x greater than 0, you have to identify minimum. How to identify maximum and minimum? By using graph. Very, very important concept in calculus. Graph method. Okay. It's very helpful in solving objective questions like IIT, JEE, mains as well as advanced questions. Very, very important concept. Just catch the concept. What is the concept here? So, observe this graph. In this graph, we have 4 parts. This is first part, second, third and fourth. Right? So, to find maximum value, for example, if you observe this part, the first part, how to get maximum means in these 2 lines which is upper part, thus that line gives maximum value. Right? So here in these 2 lines, this line denotes this is the upper line, therefore that gives maximum. Simply here I am eliminating or erasing lower part. Why? Because upper part give maximum in the graph. Understood? Now here, what we have to do? Right, all you are very genius. Now, simply here to get maximum, this is maximum. That means upper line gives maximum. Now here, eliminate lower line. In x greater than 0, what we have to calculate? Minimum value. Good. In minimum value, what we have to do? Eliminate upper. Upper gives maximum. We have to get minimum. Right? Eliminate upper part. In the last area also, the last part also, we have to get minimum. Down line, lower line gives minimum. So erase upper line. Yes, this is the graph of h of x according to the given conditions. Observe this very beautiful graph, right? Enjoy the subject. That is very important, right? So here, what is the concept? We have to calculate non-differentiable points. Catch the concept. What is the concept here? By using graph, where graph changes its shape, right? Where graph takes turn, at that points the graph not differentiable. That means where the curve or graph has sharp edges, at those points given function is not differentiable. Understood? So observe here, these 3 points graph, this is the first point. The first curve like this, after this changes its shape. Again at this point changes this shape. Again at this point changes this shape. At these 3 points graph changes its shape. Right? Therefore, at these 3 points the h of x is not differentiable. What is the final conclusion? H of x is not differentiable. Right? H of x is not differentiable at what are those points? -1, 0 and 1. Right? Now what is the question? Number of points at which h of x is not differentiable is, what is your answer? 3. Number of points here it is 3. Right? This is 2014 advanced question. Okay. So but very easy. No? So when you feel easy, if you are perfect in the concepts, right, try to catch concept thoroughly. The concept ko pakadna very, very important, right? If you have any doubts in IIT mathematics, for doubt clarification, okay, so please contact 9908348021, right? So all the way, my dear students.